Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering wallpapers. Make a photos album and add every image you want rotated. Once done, open Shortcuts and create a new shortcut. Add Get Photos, choose the album, then add Set Wallpaper. Select Lock, Home, or both so the shortcut knows where to apply images. Make sure the shortcut picks either Random Item or First Item depending on your rotation preference, and test it once to confirm the chosen image applies correctly. Next, you make the change automatic. Go to Shortcuts Right Arrow Automation, Right Arrow Create Personal Automation. Pick time of day or another trigger like opening an app and set the recurrence you want. Tap Add Action, search for Run Shortcut, and select the shortcut you built. Very important, toggle off Ask before running so it runs silently. Confirm the prompt to allow that. Finally, save the automation and run it once manually to verify To finish, run the shortcut manually and check the applied wallpaper on lock and home screens. This confirms permissions and image crop preferences. If the automation does not execute automatically, temporarily re-enable Ask before running to see errors or prompts, then fix them and disable the prompt again. Also make sure Shortcuts has photos and wallpaper permissions in settings, and that low power mode or focus modes aren't blocking background automations. Adjust those if needed so your wallpapers rotate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.